How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Messenger app. After you do that, make sure that you're logged in into your account. So first thing that you might want to check is your archives, as sometimes when you try to delete your message, you can have just archived it. So to check your archive, go to the bottom right corner on your menu. After that, you'll find archive right here. Tap on archive and check if you have any messages on archive. If you do have one, you can simply recover it and yeah, you should be good to go. If you don't have it, what you'll need to do is you will actually need to download your profile's information. To download your profile's information, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to head over to your Facebook. So simply open up your Facebook app, make sure that you're logged in into that very account. And after you do that, head over to menu on the bottom right corner. Now after you're here, head over to settings. It's on the top right corner right here. Tap on the settings icon and head over to Meta Account Center. Tap on see more in Account Center. And after you're there, you'll see different options. So you'll need to head over to your information and permission. Now, before we move on with this, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So head over to your information and permissions. And after you're here, you will see an option that says download your information. Head over there. And now you will need to download or transfer information. So tap on it, select your Facebook, tap on next. And after you tap on next, you will need to select specific type of informations. So tap on that and you will need to select your messages. So select your messages. It should be right here. Then after you do that, you can tap on next. Now tap on download to device, or you can transfer it to a specific email address as well. So now what you need to do is head over to date range and make sure that you select the date range in which you have not yet deleted your Messenger's message. So you can select last 3 years, last year, whatever you want, or even custom, and tap on save and then tap on create files. After you do that, your files will have get created and it will be right here. And after the information is here, you can download it from right here. And with that, you will have recovered your deleted messages on Messenger. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.